Hi, this is Lee with learningwithlee.com. We've been talking about backgrounds. We did background color, background image. So today I want to do a background video. And I knew I had used that before. So this is an example. It's actually linked in, I think on the front page here, where there's examples. Yeah, here, this is this website that you can go look at. This is my son's video game he was working on, and I worked on this site for him. And then I stopped working on it. It's not complete. He decided to make his own website. So just video background. So I'm just going to show you the code I used to make this. And then next week we'll talk about some of these other background things. You can see I made that box here on top of this. There's a background image, and then there's box on top of that, which is like another background kind of thing for the words. So I will show you this part of the website in the next lesson. So let's just look at the video for today. Here's the code. So the trailer section, right? I label my code. I might have a div for that part of the page, call it trailer. So here's the video, just here. It's on autoplay, it's on a loop. Okay, and the source video, right? So we put videos before on the HTML, so you should have that code somewhere. And then the other things I have in this section are the image. That's the big words. That's the image. This is a picture, the land's unknown. And then words there. Okay. So here. And then this other words here too, I guess. So they're all on top of the video, right? That makes the video the background. So how did I achieve this? If you just list this on the page, then they just, one after the other on the page, right? So we use something called Zindex. Okay, so I think 0 is like the default for everything on the page. And I shouldn't have to have this here if I have the video going backwards to -1. I shouldn't have to have Zindex 5 here. It looks like I was playing around trying to get it to work. So -1, moves it to the back, right? So, and this should be able to be just 1. Like there's no difference between Zindex 1 and Zindex 100 unless you have 100 things and you want to order them all, right? Just the next level up. So 0 is the base, and then 1 puts it on top, 2 puts it on top of that. So if ever you can't find something on your page, maybe it's under something. So -1 puts it to the background, or moving everything else up forward should also work the same. Position I have not taught you yet, and it looks like maybe I had trouble getting this to do what I wanted to do. Absolute, position absolute, just stay where I told you to stay. That's what that's saying. So if you're having trouble, you might want to try that. And then, put the video width to 100% of the screen. So no matter how big the screen is, it'll fill the whole thing. And then the height automatically adjusts so that the video is not, just like a picture, you don't want it scrunched in a weird way. Overflow hidden, that there shouldn't be overflow if it's filling the page, but that makes sure so there's no like scrolling to see some more of it or something. So you can see what I do here too, put the image container in 100%. I haven't done this display in position yet. But anyway, what I want you to work on today is putting a video background on. And you could also, even with your images, if you're having trouble putting something on top of something else, that shouldn't be a problem because the CSS is called background, right? Like a nose to go into the background. But for here, it's not, background video, right? We have to move it into the background. So the thing you're learning today is the index. So try getting a video behind some words. Another thing you can play with, this site isn't an example of it, but sometimes like the navigation or like a title at the top of the page will stay there while you scroll. Okay, this isn't set up that way, but you do that by using I guess I'll tell you about that another time. It's another position thing in there, but you're going to use the index to put this on top of this. Anyway, I will get more into some other things to do with Zindex, I guess, another lesson. So just focus on one thing. Try and get a video into your background. All right, and I'll see you next lesson.